everyone, welcome to my channel. I just wanted to show you this beautiful scenery of October. The month of October has been so beautiful. Look at this, golden leaves, trees, all the leaves falling down. Autumn is amazing. Wow, look at this, look at this. I love it. I love this. Hey, it's so amazing. I mean, nature is so cute, beautiful. We are so blessed. How on, some things are very fascinating. Just the other day, we had green leaves all over. Now the weather has changed to autumn, and the trees have started shedding their leaves, and all the leaves are turning golden, brown, yellow. And look at this. And soon the winter will be here. Everything will be white, snow white. But for the meantime, it's golden, yellow, golden, sunny, amazing.